my name's Tamar Bostock and I'm the Client Services Manager here at MYP, and today I am with Stephen Eager, who is our Managing Director.
Absolutely.
Excited to be here with me, Stephen, today?
I am. It's the best part of the day.
Excellent. So we're talking about MYP conference, and I'd like you to share a little bit behind the heart of why we run MYPcon. So we've been investing in this conference for many years now, and it is an investment. So why do we as an organisation choose to do that?
Well, I mean, fundamentally, there's nothing like getting face-to-face, and I think we've all learnt that through this COVID period, that as much as the teams and go-to meetings and all of those sorts of things are great, there's no substitute for getting face-to-face. So, I mean, aside from that, it's a chance to share ideas, get feedback. It's a great chance for collaboration, clarity of where things are going, putting out the roadmap, and look, bottom line is it's just a great vibe. The day is always a lot of fun. People learn, and we learn a lot in that process too.
Awesome, thank you. So each year we come up with a different theme, and so there's a bit of a process here at MYP to come up with that theme. We do some brainstorming, and mostly it's your ideas that win. So let's talk about that.
Yeah, I mean, bottom line is we have a saying here that the best idea wins.
Right.
So I guess the reality is if mine's the best idea, that's the reason it's getting up. But look, I'm just guessing on that one.
So this year, what's our theme, and what was your thinking behind it?
Well, the theme, hopefully as many people have already seen, is Think Beyond. The reality is we actually had that theme all set for last year until COVID hit, so we thought it was a pretty good one at the time, so we didn't want to lose it. I mean, bottom line is people get caught in the weeds of the day-to-day, and we constantly feel like we're either treading water or trying to get through quicksand and all of those sorts of things. And thinking beyond is about getting clarity beyond the challenges we face right now. And so it's a chance, as I said before, for collaboration, for new ideas, for planning, for getting teams together where they can get good ideas that they want to work through together, whether that's operationally or strategically. All of those things are really important, and so that's really, I guess, where the theme came from, is to have that concept of thinking beyond the now, thinking beyond the challenges that we face immediately.
Great. So who do we normally have come to conference? What sort of people?
Look, it's a real cross-section. We've got hundreds and hundreds of organisations that we work with. I mean, fundamentally, what we encourage is for people that have got leadership and executive roles. So typically we see directors, CEOs, general managers, MYP champions, those people that are really fundamental in driving strategy at both that strategic level or at the operational level. So they're the sorts of people that attend, and as a consequence the day is really, and the agenda is positioned around engaging with people in those sorts of roles.
Great, and we take quite a few of the team, so who are we taking with you? Do I get to go?
Well, yes you do, and I know that will be very exciting for a lot of people that haven't met you face to face. Tamar's a force of nature, and that's a wonderful thing. But it's all of those people that are client facing, so it will be our client services team, our client success managers, all of our leadership team, so our board members, our senior managers, some of our team leaders in our development teams. So I think we're going to have about 20 people from MYP that will be there.
Great.
So there'll be plenty of opportunity for them to engage and have chats with all the different people that will be there on the day. So it'll be great.
Awesome. Right, so now what I'd like you to do is take your MYP hat off just for a minute and speak just as an MD, so to any organisation. Why would you recommend that other CEOs decide to bring their team to MYPcon?
Yeah, look, I think the really important thing is around that concept of bringing your team. I mean, it's great for the individual and they'll get a lot out of it, no doubt about it, but certainly it provides a place and a framework for collaboration of teams, on the day. We're going to be focused on planning activities, whether that's around strategy or at the operational level. It's a day full of ideas and innovation. There'll be a lot of sharing and engagement between people in different organisations as well. Just a general connection. And I think the other key thing is when we're so busy doing what we do, and particularly we have absolute understanding and empathy for the leaders in community organisations in health and disability and aged care and so on, is that they're in real challenging roles. There's constant pressure, and to come and spend a day like this is a real chance for them to recharge, re-energise as well. So there's lots of reasons to go, and as I said, it's also a reward for people. It's a great opportunity to just spend the day with each other in an environment that's, as I said, has got a great vibe to the day. So hopefully we're going to see a heap of people there. That we think everything will be open, but it looks like people are all getting their vaccines now. So we're very excited. The numbers are already building, and we're very excited. Make sure you get in early while the early bird option is there. So we encourage everyone to make sure they get registered and come along.
Great. So registration is via our website, so you can jump on the website and register there. We've got links on social media as well, or you can talk to your client success manager or one of the CSOs in any of your training sessions, and we'll be happy to register you. We look forward to seeing you at conference.
Thanks everyone.